Hello again, everyone. Today we have a KAESER SK25T screw air compressor with integrated air dryer powered by Sigma 2 model. This compressor is built in 2016 and recently all filters, oil and etc. bearings are changed. The compressor currently got around 20,000 hours on the run and 15,000 hours on load. The compressor is powered by Sigma Control 2 with the RFID card. I will use it now to log in to system. Login successful. It's a level 2 card. You can change settings inside the controller, pressure settings, etc. By owning only this card. This is the card holder. I will leave it here. We have a very neat machine. This version, it's not inverter, but it's got integrated air dryer right there with the echo drain valve for condensate treatment device. So it's air end, it's 2016. I have removed all the covers from the compressor, and now I will start it to see how it builds pressure. That's it. Enjoy this piece of machinery. 15 kilowatts, 2016 with integrated air dryer. Thank you very much and good luck on your bids.